So many of you asked me about how to do chair Sarvangasana. So we need some simple props. A chair is required, a blanket and a bolster. So the placement of the chair should be something like this. There should be gap between the wall and the chair. Place your blanket just in front of the chair in this way. This is the support for your head. Bolster, place it just in front of the leg of your chair. They should be completely touching the legs and the placement should be somewhat here. So this is the placement. Now what you have to do, you have to sit sideways on a chair and then from here swing your legs from the back of the chair this way and then gently go forward. Now holding the chair, lean back slowly and gently. And then from here, hold the chair with your knees, grab the lower leg of your chair and then slowly try to go down until your shoulders touches the bolster. Hold over here. Now place your feet on the wall. Take your arms under the chair, grab the back of the chair in such a way and bring the shoulder blades closer to each other. So you may see your head is resting on the blanket and the shoulders are resting on the bolster. Now from here, your sacrum is almost touching the edge of the chair. You may straighten your both the legs over here. Now if you want to go for a proper Sarvangasana, place your right foot, the arch of your right foot on the back of your chair, another leg, tuck the sacrum towards the seat of the chair, straighten one leg, holding the chair with both your palms, release another leg. Now those who want to do, little advanced people, those who want to do the complete Sarvangasana, move your sacrum away from the chair, opening your pelvis and then slowly now once you want to come down, tuck your sacrum towards the chair, bend your right leg, place it on top of the chair, another leg, and then slowly release your hand one at a time. Hold the chair, lift your head up and slowly slide down until your buttocks touches the bolster. Go a little more back and relax your both the legs down. You may slowly relax there for a while. And then once you are completely relaxed, turn towards any side and then come up. Hope you like it. So do save and subscribe it. Thank you.